Habitat for Humanity is an organisation which, through volunteer work and donations, builds houses for people and cuts the cycle of poverty. But nobody in Hungary has heard of them. Through social media, we asked Hungary's 1.2 million Facebook users to make a symbolic gesture to help the poor in Hungary by making habitat.hu/home their browser homepage. But when they subsequently clicked on home, this is what they saw. The home button created an immediate viral effect, being pushed through from profile to profile, spreading the word from browser to browser, and closing in on our target to inform the 1.2 million Hungarians who make their home on Facebook to the 1.2 million Hungarians that don't have one.